2013 Ford F250 with a 6.2 gas. She's got 373 gears, and we're going to do a heavy trailer towing acceleration video. You heard that right. So we got the 22-foot long Belmont trailer loaded up with undisclosed amount of scrap metal. Trailer weighs 3,200 pounds, empty with the wood sides. We got stuff in the back, riding tractor, some other stuff, not much weight. But this truck also has a 500-pound lift gate on it, so this will be a heavy tow. All right, I've done this video before on my YouTube page, which if you want to follow me for more videos on towing with this truck and my other F150 with the 5-liter. What we're going to do here is we're just going to give it everything she's got and see how far or how long it takes to get to 60. So I'm going to put the description of what the weight is right up here, top of the video, so you'll see it. All right. All right. As you can see, there's no cuts in this video. We're going right in it. I ain't even putting my seatbelt on. All right. This truck has 194,000 miles, fresh oil change, and I just cleaned my cane and drop-in filter. You heard that correctly. No problems with that, by the way. All right. Let's give it the beans. Flat to the floor. And that's on a slight uphill. Now it levels out. That's past 60. Just keep it matted to the floor. See how long it takes to get to 70. That's 70. On a almost 200,000 mile truck. Oh, by the way, this truck is 2-wheel drive.